Fleetio helps government fleets at both the federal and the local level reduce operating costs and keep their vehicles up and running.
Before Fleetio, our processes were antiquated, hard to read, and not as user-friendly, I would say.
What Fleetio now allows us to do is collect data to build the metrics that we never had. We never had any way to calculate vehicle downtime or even return on investment or overall cost of doing business. There was never a way to capture that prior to Fleetio.
With a mobile app for drivers and technicians and integrations to many popular telematics and GPS providers, Fleetio automates data entry so that you can focus on the areas that are most important to your business.
Fleetio has made it easier for my mechanics to track their time and report what they've been working on.
It allowed them to be more proficient in the shop to get the data input instead of me having to put in the later the next night, that night, or next morning.
Fleetio's dashboards bring all the information that's important to your fleet into one single pane of glass so that you have all the data that you need at your fingertips to make important and quick business decisions.
When I started looking for fleet management software, normally when working in a municipality, the purchase would go to the lowest bidder, but in this case, Fleetio is on the GSA contract, so it makes the process much simpler.
Fleetio's GSA contracts make it easy for government fleets, whether you're talking about federal, state, or local level, do business with Fleetio and leverage Fleetio's solutions without having to go through all the budget hassles.
The customer service is leaps and bounds better than what we used to have. I never have to worry about if I have to call into a number, wait 10 minutes to get someone on the line, and then them ask me 80 million questions. They know exactly what I'm talking about as soon as I call in or email.
Software should be the biggest tool that you have. Now that we have Fleetio in our toolbox, it is the biggest tool. It's not the cog in the system anymore. It's the one that's pushing flow downstream is what it's doing.
Whether you manage your maintenance in-house or through a maintenance shop, Fleetio has everything that you need to manage your fleet so that you can focus on serving your community. To learn more about Fleetio's fleet management solutions and the ways that we can help you manage your fleet, contact Fleetio today for a demo.